Deep from team MST07 and today we will show you about our new mobile application Arogyam Care that is the first step to improve rural health. Our problem statement is rural health development. So we divided our problem statement into sub-statement like lack of diagnosis of health related problems in rural areas, lack of information about government schemes, less awareness on health camps, and no platform to share remedial ideas. So focusing on this problem statement, we have designed our solution in this way. In-app diagnosis, government scheme and health camp notification, healthcare board to answer FAQs, and platform to share home remedies. So our app constitutes the features targeting this solution. Firstly, we have authentication feature where user can register and log in with their Gmail ID. Also, Google sign in is supported. Further, we have simple UI with home remedy, skin disease prediction, chatbot, doctor near me, and learn with AR features. So let me go through one by one. So basically, this is a cursor slideshow for health tips. Then another we have home remedies that show some popular home remedies for people. Another we have skin disease prediction. Here we have both the option of the gallery and the camera. So let me scan one of the image. So let us take this image. So this skin disease predictor predicts the disease, also gives the symptoms and the treatment of the particular disease. So that way this works. Another feature is a chatbot. This chatbot runs with a Dialogflow agent in the backend. Like I type something like a skin, so it will show me some of the tips to make your skin healthy and how to prevent from skin damage. So that way this works. And the next thing is doctor near me. So this will directly navigate you to the nearby doctor on your Google Map application. So our next feature is learn with AR. So guys, this is our feature learning with Echo AR. So currently it is just a basic AR model and we haven't added the more 3D models to it, but our future model is to make this function also dynamic and create more 3D models like to inform rural people about the hygiene awareness and first aid model and how to treat first aid in any situation, like what if the snakes bite, what if the bone breaks or fractures. So that way AR model can help. So currently it is just a basic implementation, but we have a plan to implement more in the future. So another thing is symptoms check. Let me type some symptoms. So let me predict some disease. So this way, on the basis of the symptoms, it shows the disease and also rates the disease predicted diseases low priority, medium priority, and sometimes high priority based on the how many symptoms are matched. So this way, this feature work directly. This the feature is directly connected to the Firebase in the backend. So it takes the data in the form of queries. Another important feature is events. So this events is also dynamic, connected with the Firebase as the backend. So here the admin can add new events like blood donation camp or any healthcare camps are that are being organized, so as to notify people whenever notify people in emergency. Also here the admin can add some of the schemes which rural people don't know. So this feature is very much helpful in that way. So this another feature is doctor near me, chat with doctor, as we have seen. So here we have add own remedies. So here we can add new remedies, means a user, this is a platform where rural people can add their own remedies, their own ideas, and help other people too. So let me add some new remedies. So this way they can add the title, then the ingredients, and then the description, and the remedies is added here in the home remedies. So this so here this I have added that new plant A, and so this way the remedies are being added and shown. So this is a platform where they can share their ideas and help other people too.